The back is a really challenging area to exercise at home, especially if you don't have certain equipment. So one great way to get to that back area between your shoulder blades, which we so desperately need, especially when we're on our computers and we're hunched over or on our phones, we get this rounded position. So one way to correct that is to do more back exercises. And there's a really great way to do this with body weight, and I'm going to show you, and it's up against the wall. So here's how it goes. You're going to find a wall, and you're going to position yourself. I would start with your feet closer to the wall. It makes it easier and helps you kind of understand and get familiar with the movement. And what you're going to do is I like to think of putting my thumbs kind of into my armpits, so about this high, and then I'm going to lean up against the wall. Now, really important to know here is you want to be in a good plank position. Okay, so you got to get everything nice and straight and tucked in. I like to tuck my hips in a little bit, tighten those glutes, makes it a full core exercise. And yes, your glutes are part of your core. So we want to make sure that we have everything nice and tight, everything's working. And I like to get up on my heels. I think it just makes it a little easier. It's a little easier fulcrum, yeah? So we're going to stick our elbows into the wall. Thumbs are armpit level high. And the shoulders come away from the ears, so try not to do this. We want the shoulders to come down. Think of your shoulder blades dropping down your back and then into your back pocket. Okay, so here we are in a good plank. Chin is slightly tucked, so you don't want it leading out like that. Come in, so you can get in that good plank. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to drive your elbows into the wall, pushing your body forward, and then back down. Pinching those shoulder blades together as you come up and back down. Good plank, up and down. Pull those thumbs into the armpit and drive those elbows into the wall, straight behind you. And then if you want to make it a little more challenging, you can take your feet up a little wider. Just be careful that you don't start doing this kind of a position, right? Down and back with the shoulder blades. Good plank. This is going to be plenty of exercise, especially if you're not used to doing it. Chin tucked, good plank. Drive those elbows into the wall and down. Into the wall and down. And that is the wall elbow press.